chicken pie without making batter. It's all filling, guys, and you have no idea how delicious it is. Let's learn this recipe. We'll need some oil in a pan. Let's add 1 chopped onion and let's let it fry very well. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. We can't forget the garlic, all right? And then I also added 1 green pepper. It's well chopped. Let's use 250 grams of chicken. This one is already cooked, okay? I bought the one that comes ready from the supermarket. Let's season it with paprika, salt, oregano. I also added 1 can of corn. And the season, guys, is to taste, okay? You can use your favorite ones. And the idea is this, to add the tastiest seasons ever. For the cream in the blender, let's add 6 eggs, 400 grams of heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Let's beat everything very well, guys. And now in a tray that is already greased with butter, okay, we are going to add a little bit of this batter and then add the chicken. I added half of the cream, okay, and then let's fill it with the chicken, guys. This way to let it well spread it, and then put all the rest of the filling. To finish it, I added some cheese on top of it. It's mozzarella, but you can use the cheese you prefer, all right? And it's gonna be like this, guys, and then you just have to take it to the preheated oven until the cheese is melted. And look at this wonder, guys. The cheese is super crunchy. Make it at your house, that it's super worth it. Very simple to make, just a few ingredients, and your Christmas deserves this recipe. It's gonna impress everybody, all of your family, and it's super easy to make. Make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it. I'm gonna show you guys very closely how crunchy it is on the outside, but very, fluffy on the inside. The chicken is amazing. And if you want to put other ingredients, you can make it like cream cheese, bacon. You can use anything you prefer in the middle of the chicken. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe and see you guys around.